Hi, this is an updated tutorial for 3D model to 2D sprite. In this new version, the 3D models will be captured into 2D sprites but will have a transparent background. So if you have not updated the asset, you can go ahead and update it. So let's see how to use this asset to convert your 3D models into 2D sprites. So I have an alien character here, and this I got from the Unity asset store. It's a free character. And I have the PNG capture prefab. Now what you have to do is take your 3D character, then open the animator window. So as you can see, I have 10 animation states, and the transition from each state should happen based on a parameter called next state. So you have to create a parameter called next state and make sure n is in capital and everything else is small. Make a parameter, basically a bool called next state, and set that to the transition. Make sure has exit time is unchecked, and the transition happens when next state is true. So the same transition is for all states. And inside our script, when the enter key is pressed, we are setting this to true, and when you leave the enter key, this is set back to false. So at a time when you press the enter key, it will change state from one animation clip to another animation clip. So that way you'll be able to record. So once that is set, select the PNG capture and make sure you drag and drop your character into the player variable, and inside the canvas you'll see a prompt text. Drag and drop to the prompt variable, so that will tell you when to press the enter key. So now let's see how it works. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 states. So let's go ahead and play the game. So since I have 8 states, it will create 8 folders with PNG images for each animation. So it has captured the first idle animation and it's asking us to press the enter key. So let's press the enter key. So it has captured the next animation. Now let's press the enter key, the third animation, the enter key, fourth animation, fifth animation, sixth animation, seventh, and this is our last animation. So once all your animations are through, you can just stop the game and go to the asset folder and right click and click on refresh. So as you can see, there are 8 folders, each for each animation clip. So you can open it up, and you have to set the texture type to sprite 2D and UI to use it directly in your game. So you can just select all the images and set the texture type to sprite 2D and UI and click on apply. So now you can see that the sprite has a transparent background and you can use it directly into your game. And there are more features in the PNG capture, like you can set the number of frames to capture in each animation. So if you have a longer animation, you can set more number of frames, and you don't want to capture every frame because that many sprites are not required to create a 2D animation. You can give the number how many frames you want to skip before you capture the next frame. So for example, if the total frame to capture is 50 and the skip frame is 5, so it will capture a PNG image on every 5th frame. So the total number of images should be around 10. So as you can see, image 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. So if you're having any problem with the assets, the email is available on the asset store. You can email us and we'll help you out.